In this video, I'll show you how to use Replit Agent. First, log in or sign up for a Replit account. Once in, click the Create app on the top right. Now, all of this will serve as your Replit agent. You can start by clicking on this prompt, like Web App, and start with an example. You can also choose Data App, Game, and such. So instead of writing lines of code, you simply describe what you want to build. For example, is create a to-do list app with a login page. Now, just click on Start Chat. Replit Agent will then generate a step-by-step build plan. This usually includes setting up a project structure, installing dependencies, adding a database if needed, and creating the actual code files. Once done, take a moment to review the plan. If everything looks good, go ahead and approve it. Once approved, Agent gets to work automatically. You'll see it creating files, writing code, and setting things up right before your eyes. Now, if you want to make changes, you can either edit the files directly or give the agent a new instruction. And that's really all there is to it. With Replit Agent, you don't need to worry about starting from scratch or setting up complicated environments. You describe what you want, the agent builds it, and you refine it step by step. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.